The pre-sealing cutter is suitable for special products and large liter plastic products. The overall structure is composed of a 900 mm large frame, sealing module, and cutting blade combination. The cutting blade module is driven by dual cylinders, with an accuracy of up to 1 mm, ensuring that both sides of the material tube are closed and cut. The cutting blade does not require preheating, making it more energy efficient with low maintenance costs and lifelong benefits from a single investment. In addition to low usage cost, the second reason for choosing a sealing cutter is that some large material tubes must be sealed and blown with air when discharging to ensure that the tubes do not adhere. The hot cutting blade is composed of a conductive strip, a resistor, and a cutting blade. The transformer increases the current and heats up through the resistor, and the cutting blade temperature can reach 300 degrees. The disadvantage is that in addition to high energy consumption, long-term use can easily cause the conductive tape to turn black, the joints to burn, and the transformer to be damaged. Cold cutting cutters are cheap and only need to be sharpened after 1 or 2 years of use. The disadvantage is that the application range is small, and some plastics may stick or cut continuously.